Okay, conclusion. So this is one of the issue engineers face with their laborer. Just look at this concrete you are seeing now. This is not iron, this is wood. But you see that this concrete you are seeing here have stayed for 48 hours. That is 2 days, and they refuse to set. What do you think is the issue? This thing have stayed for 24 hours, my friend, and refuse to set. Of course, today is the end of the work for the guy that did this. So today marks the end. He's working in this site. So because I don't understand. So what could be the problem here now? The problem could be that the guy left the concrete for long. You understand? Maybe the concrete have started setting before you now carried it inside here, or lack of vibration. Because just imagine, come close. See, this is a concrete that have stayed for 24 hours, and you seeing it. So please, you have to supervise your laborer very well. Of course, this is a loss on us, and we have to fix it now because this is a structural member. It's not as if it's maybe they did a mistake on block or something like that. This guy, this is a column. They carry load, very high load. So leaving it now will compromise the integrity of the structure. There is a possibility that when this structure now, the superstructure come up, the building will start cracking from somewhere here or something like that. This column start failing. To correct it that time is going to be very expensive because you're going to be looking at using the principle of underpinning to release load from this column, which is very, very expensive, like kind of 2 3 m, 2 3 4 million naira. So please, you have to supervise your laborer very well. Follow them like a kid, like, because any issue that arises in your project is on the engineer. Thank you, and make sure you give your project to professional. So don't forget, you are Zake. So definitely we'll correct it.